Now let us see the first phylum, that is Porifera. Characteristics of this phylum are: first, these animals are with simple body plan and are called as sponges. They bear numerous spores on their body. Spores means small drops. These spores are called as ostae. Second characteristics, these are aquatic animals. Most of them are marine and few are freshwater drivers. Some stay in salt water, some stays in the fresh water. In Marathi, that is समुद्राच्या पाण्यात राहणारे आणि गोडा पाण्यात राहणारे. Next, most of these animals have asymmetrical body. These animals have special type of cells. These cells are called as collar cells. See in the figure, the collar cells are being shown. These animals are always attached to the substance. Hence, they do not show the locomotion. Hence, they are referred as a sedentary animals. Means they doesn't go anywhere. They are attached to some another animal. This sponge body is supported by the spicules or sporangine fibers. Spicules are made up of a small calcium carbonate or silica. These animals feeds upon small organisms, taking their body along with the water. Water is taken in through the ostae and given out through a ossicula. Okay, means they take in water by ostae and give out the water by ossicula. These animals reproduce by budding and asexual method and by a sexual method. Sexual method means they have male and female. Besides, they have good ability of regeneration. Means if they are broken, that part regenerates. Now let us move on to the another phylum, that is Coelenterata. First characteristic is the body of these animals are cylindrical or umbrella like. छत्री सारखी असते. If it is cylindrical, it is called as poplite, and if it is umbrella like, it is called as medusa. Most of these animals are marine. Only few are freshwater drivers. Most of these animals live in the salt water, but some lives in the fresh water. गोडा पाण्यात सुद्धा राहतात. Next characteristic, the body of these animals are radial symmetrical and dry flow-blastic. Next characteristic is synodoblast, bearing tentacles are present around the mouth. See, they have in the figure you see that tentacles are present around their mouth. Tentacles are used for capturing the prey. एखाद्या प्रेला कॅप्चर करायसाठी ते टेंटॅकल्सचा यूज करतात. Whereas synodoblast injects the toxin in the body of the prey. What they do? एखादं विषारी द्रव्य ते बाहेर टाकून ते प्रेला कॅप्चर करतात. Those are useful for protection. Those are useful for protection too. Even these tentacles are very useful for their protection. In these, examples are hydra, and other animals, that is coral and jellyfish. These are the examples of this type of a phylum.